This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Twitch account email address. Open twitch.tv. Make sure to sign in to your Twitch account. Now, click on your profile photo and click on settings. Once you are here, select security and privacy option. And here you will get your email address. To change your current email address, click on this pencil icon. And now, all you have to need just enter here your new email address, confirm the email address here, click on save, and then you have to verify your email address. And that's it. Your email address will be changed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.